Project Cheetah, India's ambitious attempt to introduce African cheetahs in wild in the country, has been completed a year after its launch in September 2022. We have completed 1 year. Okay. We have introduced African cheetah from Namibia to our Kuno National Park in the Madhya Pradesh. Okay. So the project has claimed to have achieved short-term success on the 4 counts. 50% survival of introduced cheetahs from South Africa and Namibia, establishment of home ranges, then birth of cubs in Kuno, and revenue generation for local communities. Okay, we have achieved 50% or mainly short-term success have been done. 50% survival of the introduced cheetahs from South Africa and Namibia, establishment of home ranges, the birth. Home ranges means it is meaning the survival of the cheetahs in the wild. Okay, so the birth of cubs and also revenue generation. Now, as we know that in 1952, our cheetahs got extinct in the country, mainly because of human intervention. Okay, mainly they were highly hunted, and as a result of human intervention, there was an extinct of cheetahs in 1952. Later, we planned to have cheetahs from different parts of the world to introduce it into the country, and we succeeded in September 2022. Okay, and we have got the cheetahs from South Africa. Okay. The Cheetah Reintroduced project in India formally commenced on September 17, 2022 to restore the population of cheetahs which were declared extinct in the country in 1952. Okay. The project involved the translocation of cheetahs from South Africa to Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Now the implementing authority is NTCA, National Tiger Conservation Authority. Okay. In collaboration with Madhya Pradesh Forest Department, Wildlife Institute of India, and cheetah experts. So the nodal implementing agency is NTCA, National Tiger Conservation Authority, and along with the Madhya Pradesh Forest Department, Wildlife Institute of India, and also experts. Okay. One thing to be noted is that we have introduced African cheetahs. We have not introduced, or we have not got Asian cheetahs. We have demanded initially Asian cheetahs from Iran, but they have later refused it. That is why we have the South African Namibian government adopted or accepted our proposal and gave us African cheetahs. So right now what we are having is African cheetahs and not Asian cheetahs. Okay. So regarding cheetahs, cheetah is a big cat endemic to South Africa and Southwest Asia. Okay. It's fastest animal. Okay. And the cheetahs live in a variety of settings, including savannas in the Serengeti, dry mountain ranges in Sahara, mountainous desert terrain in Iran. Okay. They have a wide area of vegetation habitats. Okay. Savannas means they are grasslands. They can live in grasslands. They can live in dry mountain ranges, even in mountainous desert as well. They are mainly endemic to Africa and Southwest Asia. Okay. Now, predation is one of the major issues for their removal, destruction. Interaction with human, poaching, and high sensitivity to illness. These are the threats to their extinction. Okay. Now, when we consider the conservation status, African cheetah IUCN Red List is vulnerable, and in the CITES list is Appendix 1, and in the Wildlife Protection Act it is in Schedule 2. Okay. Asiatic cheetah is critically endangered. It's more vulnerable or more in danger compared to African cheetahs. Okay. It is in Appendix 1 and Schedule 2. Now in India, we have African cheetahs introduced from Namibia. Asian cheetahs are found in Iran. In India, Asiatic cheetahs have extincted in 1952.